Once you've installed the iCapture app on your phone or tablet, you'll click on the iCapture PowerScan icon on the screen to launch the app, and then click on the Enter Install Code button. Here, you'll enter the install code for the questionnaire you created in the iCapture back office. You'll also be asked for a device name. Make sure each device name is unique so you'll be able to tell which device was used to capture the lead information. The questionnaire will appear in a list under the Enter Install Code button. Simply tap on the questionnaire you wish to capture data with. Here's a sample of one for CES 2019. At the top, it has the badge and business card scanning fields, followed by the lead qualifying questions and a notes field. First, we'll scan the badge by clicking the Scan button and hovering our camera over the badge QR code. Next, we'll fill out the pertinent lead information add any additional notes, and then click on the Submit button to save the captured data. If you'd like, you can also add notes to a previous capture. Click on the menu button in the upper left-hand corner, then click the Show Previous Captures button. Find the capture you wish to add notes to in the list, click it, and then type your notes. Once you're done, you can hit the back arrow to return to the questionnaire to capture another lead. If you hit the menu button, you can also go back to the main menu of the iCapture PowerScan app. At the top, you'll see two lines of text, one that says Captures Waiting to Upload and one that says Captures Sent Today. If you see a number next to the line that says Captures Waiting to Upload, that means that you've been capturing in offline mode. That means that there are still captures on this device that need to be uploaded to your iCapture back office. To do this, simply connect your device to the internet, and the data should transfer to the iCapture back office automatically. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please contact our customer support team at support@icapture.com. Thanks for watching.